HMJ Tech is pleased to present our Heavy Duty PAIL Mixer. The operator delivers a pail of product, lowers the head to the mixing position, and then turns the unit on. The powerful adjustable speed air motor and offset impeller provide rapid and thorough mixing with minimal aeration. When mixing is complete, the operator lifts the head to the parked position where the impeller assembly lands directly over a cleanable drip cup and tray. There are 3 available mixing positions which can be used for staging product or for staging washing fluid to keep the impeller and shaft clean. The power switch is mechanically interlocked to ensure that the unit will only turn on when in the operating position. To install the mixer, use the anchor screws provided to mount the base frame to any level floor, lower the mixer head onto the base frame, install the drip tray and drip cup, and install the removable splash shield. For full specifications and ordering information, visit us at hmjtech.com.